Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan gummy bears. We'll cover everything from selecting the right plant-based gelling agents to flavoring and shaping your delicious treats. Get ready to create your own batch of chewy, fruity, and entirely animal-friendly candies right in your kitchen. It's a fun and rewarding process that yields delightful results, perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. To make vegan gummy bears, you'll need a plant-based gelling agent like agar-agar powder or carrageenan, which are excellent gelatin alternatives. For flavor, choose your favorite fruit juice or puree. Sweeteners such as agave nectar or maple syrup add the perfect touch, and a little citric acid will give your gummies that classic tangy kick. These ingredients are readily available and easy to work with. The process begins by combining your chosen fruit juice, sweetener, and gelling agent in a saucepan. Gently heat the mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the gelling agent is completely dissolved. Once smooth, carefully pour the warm liquid into your desired gummy molds. Then, transfer the molds to the refrigerator and chill for at least 1 hour until firm. Finally, demold your delightful vegan gummies. Feel free to get creative with your vegan gummy bears. Try different fruit juice combinations, like strawberry and lemon or mango and passion fruit, for unique flavors. You can also add a few drops of natural food coloring to make them even more visually appealing. Using various mold shapes adds a fun touch, perfect for parties or gifts. Remember to store your finished gummies in an airtight container at room temperature for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.